Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and transfer over files to a USB drive on your Windows PC or laptop. So this drive is ready to go. I'm just going to plug it into the front slot on my computer down here. And then it should pop open on my desktop. So you can see it popped open for me right there immediately. Otherwise, you're going to have to go through the scroll wheel on the side here, going down to this PC and locate your drive. So if you have a problem locating your drive, just unplug it, plug it back in, and whatever one pops up, that's the one that's going to be the new one. So I can see it's labeled E on the top here, but I can see E right here. We can right click on the drive now. And if we're going to use this on our computer or something like that, we might need to format it. So we can left click on it, right click on it, and then we have the format option. And we can go to the file system. If it's NTFS, make sure it's EXFAT or FAT32 if you have that option. And then you can use it on your phone or your TV and you won't have any compatibility issues. So once you format it, this will delete everything from your drive, just a heads up. You could transfer over to your computer and then transfer back. So let's open up my drive. You can see I have two pictures in here. Now let's go to the plus icon on the top. Scroll on down to your pictures, locations, or videos. So here's some videos I have on here. Let's go to a shortcut video, something I edited. So we can select all if we go to the top here and go to select all. So I'm just going to copy one thing over. You can right click on it, go to copy, go back to your drive, right click in here and go to paste. Okay, so you can see this is transferring over now. If you have a bunch of video files, it might take a while. So once this is complete, I'm just going to stop it because it's going to take too long. We can go back to this PC, click on your drive, left click, then right click, and we can go to eject. And this will safely remove it, and you can remove it from your PC now without worrying about any data corruption. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.